Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. If you have recently upgraded to an iPhone 15 or installed iOS 17 on your existing device, you might have noticed a significant drop in your battery life. Some users have reported that their iPhone 15 battery drains faster than usual, especially overnight when the phone is not in use. Overnight, in this tutorial, I will show you how to fix iPhone 15 overnight battery drain issue. Solution 1. Turn off live activities. To turn off live activities, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to unlock your phone. Scroll down and toggle off live activities. This will prevent live activities from showing up on the lock screen. You can also disable live activities on an app by app basis by going to the individual app settings in the Settings app and turning off live activities there. Solution 2. Delete lock screen and home screen widgets. Widgets can also drain your battery if they are constantly updating or fetching data from the internet or other sources. If you are not using a particular widget often, it might be best to remove it. Preserve battery life. On your lock screen or home screen, touch and hold a widget until jiggle. Tap on the minus sign on the top left corner of the widgets. Tap Remove Widgets to confirm. Solution 3. Update your apps and software. To update your apps, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to see the list of apps that have updates available. Tap on Update All to update all your apps at once, or tap on Update Next to each app that you want to update individually. To check for software updates, open the Settings apps on your iPhone. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install. If not, you will see a message saying your iPhone is up to date. Solution 4. Disable background app refresh. To disable background app refresh, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Next, tap on Background App Refresh. You can choose to turn off Background App Refresh completely by toggling off the switch at the top of the screen. This will prevent any app from running in the background and refreshing its content. Solution 5. Adjust your screen brightness and auto lock. Launch the Settings app. Tap on Display and Brightness. Drag the slider under Brightness to adjust the brightness level of your screen. You can also enable Auto Brightness by toggling on the switch next to it. This will allow your iPhone to automatically adjust the brightness of your screen based on the ambient light condition. Tap on Auto Lock and select a shorter time interval for your screen to turn off automatically when you are not using your iPhone. The shortest option is 30 seconds. Solution 6. Use low power mode. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Battery. Toggle on low power mode. You can also enable low power mode from the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and tapping on the battery icon. Solution 7. Turn off location services. To do this, navigate to Settings app. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services and turn off location services. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.